inside the BMW Vision Driving Experience. We're gonna go for a quick lap with this amazing car. 18,000 Newton meters of torque, insane acceleration. This is wild. This is not even the full potential of the car. Smooth acceleration, smooth braking. It's got impellers, fans to keep the car planted on the track. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very cool. BMW Vision Driving Experience. It is fast. Tonight we're gonna have a chance to see it.
Hey guys, welcome to Shanghai, a rainy Shanghai today, but that doesn't really matter because we're here today with BMW because they have something very, very cool to show us. We're gonna take a look at the BMW Vision Driving Experience without a camouflage. Of course, I was in the car a few months ago and that was an insane experience. And I also had a chance to ride in the car earlier today, so I'm gonna show you that in this video as well. But today we'll also get to see something very interesting with that car and what it can do. BMW has set up a ramp. So they're gonna go up that ramp and apparently they're gonna try to hold the car in place at a 55-degree angle and see that traction that they've been talking about with the Heart of Joy. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the display here in Shanghai and then we're gonna take a look at the BMW VDX. Let's go. All right, so this is the setup here. I'm gonna walk inside and what you're gonna see is a very crazy ramp that was set up. As a reminder, 18,000 Newton meters of torque, which is about 14,000 pounds-feet of torque. That's insane. It does 3G. The brake regeneration is about 1G as well. And the idea of this one is to really show the Heart of Joy computer, the super brain that BMW has put together in the upcoming Neue Klasse. So this is the idea of this event. As you can see, there is also a very cool and large display here. And right behind that, you will see the ramp at some point. I'm giving you a sneak peek because I was here earlier today, but you can see the magnitude of this event, the resources that went in. This is all about Neue Klasse that's coming up.
My name is Jens. Good evening, everyone. It's my great pleasure to be here with you tonight. And as you can see, right behind me, we have the VDX, the BMW Vision Driving Experience. And I cannot wait to show you what this is all about. So let's get started and have a good show. Thank you.
Thank you, yes. Wow! It's amazing. Yes?
Nice.
Is that all?
No, of course it's not all, but this Give me a second to prepare for the final highlight of the show. So stay tuned. I go back and then I see you in a second.
All right, let's go. Yes.
You ready?
Yes. OK，我们首先呢，先在这个坡的一半处，我们会从左到右做一个侧滑。
哇
哦！我们看到车是非常的稳定的。Yes, how about give another try? Let's try right to left this time.
Yes.
OK，让我们从右往左再来一次。OK，依然非常的稳定。Yes，
非常丝滑。
要冲坡了。
要来了
Of course. I can't wait.
接下来要向16米高的陡坡发起跳下。
我们现在停下来了。哇 ！OK， 我们现在Oh my god！ Why not? I think we are about to activate the semantic component of this impeller, which will give additional 1,200 kg. 接下来燕子会打开这台车的一个黑科技啊，叫做空气推进器，会额外给到1200度液下压力。啊！我们现在只能看见天空了。天哪！我们现在就停在这里，太牛了！我不知道我刚才打开空气推进器这个声音会非常的大，我不知道我刚才在车里头说的这个话，大家能不能听得见？真的非常非常的震撼，奇迹的时刻。
到达了53，看到了吗？53个的位置。OK。
车还能改名吗？当然了。
我享受待在这辆车里面的每一个瞬间，无论是公路还是山路。
宝马 X3依然的自由、探索与陪伴。极端的设计往往都是简单的，但是如果你要做到极度的均衡，这才是对一个设计师最苛刻的考验。你只需要从容优雅的一个按键。
买到了自己喜欢的车，是不是就像娶到了自己喜欢的女人一样
？Make my life。
这就是对你辛苦工作最大的褒奖。快乐，兄弟们，这才叫男人该玩的东西。
真是太伟大了！
这个是所有新工作都该有的样子。什么叫排山倒海？什么叫随叫随到？
你想要的，他都能够给你。
我不管你什么灵异加速有多快，没有声浪的车，统统不要跟我谈性能。没有任何术可以代替点火爆炸。I am so alive.
Yes, it's your feeling. I think you must be super excited.
Yeah, I'm feeling super excited. I think, as you can see, we were able to control this beast with our heart of joy, but also we were able to unleash the beast and just enjoy the sheer driving pleasure, which has always been in the DNA of BMW for more than 100 years. So it's a great pleasure to be here with you tonight in Shanghai. I hope you enjoyed the show. I wish you a wonderful good evening.
All right, now let's make a stop at the BMW 3 Series 50 years display. You can see here you have the entire generation of 3 Series cars. I don't think they need any introduction, but you can see, of course, the E30 right there. I gotta mention that one. And then the racing car as well. So this is part of the display here. It's also celebrating 50 years of the BMW R cars, and there is a digital display here. Unfortunately, they're not the actual cars, but you get to see some of the digital prints of the entire generation of R cars. You can see right there the latest one by Giulio Marito, the BMW M Hybrid V8. And of course, all the other iconic ones as well. The V12 LMR. We will see the entire collection at the upcoming Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este. This is the Jeff Koons E92. So there will be a lot more that we can show you in the near future.